Solve x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0 by completing the square. We start by moving the constant term to the right side of the equation to prepare it for completing the square. This step isolates the terms involving x on one side. To complete the square, we add the square of half the coefficient of x to both sides. This allows us to rewrite the left side as a perfect square. The coefficient of x is 2, so half of it is 1, and its square is also 1. Now, we take the square root of both sides. Remember to consider both the positive and negative square roots. The square root of 9 is 3, so we have x plus 1 equals plus or minus 3. Finally, we solve for x by subtracting 1 from both sides in each case. This gives us our two solutions, x equals 2 and x equals minus 4.